Hello everyone, I'm Ishmael Perez and I'm here with Donna and Brent who came to my Utah event here at my book tour 2023. I am so excited. I had an opportunity to meet them and get to know them on a personal level. Thank you so much Donna and thank you so much Brent for being a part of this journey with me. Appreciate that.
I have had an amazing time, especially sharing with others, and I am excited to do the book. I have not read the book yet. I have wanted to, but I thought I'd wait and see if I got it for Christmas, but now I have it. And I've been awake for about 8 to 10 years and still researching and still searching for the stars. Yep, that's me.
Beautiful.
Yeah, my name's Brent, and I'm learning everything from her to her experience, and she's bringing me into the awakening. And we got the opportunity to come here and
This has been
be with
amazing.
Ismael, and it's just been amazing.
The feeling.
There's so much information and the feeling of all the people, a small group around us.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's
it's
just,
been great.
it's been overwhelming. It's just.
It's going to be hard to go home and get a good night's sleep for me because I'm going to be doing other things.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Oh, thank you. That was
Yeah, we
You
appreciate
guys
it.
are so welcome. Thank you.
We
Namaste.
appreciate it.
That's my gift for you guys. For being here. Take home with you.
All right.
That's so nice. Thank you so much. This is really great. I'll
Thank you
remember
so
this
much.
forever. And I'm hoping that we live forever.
We will.
Yeah.